Hey guys, what is up? My name is Shivam and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to make a simple football. First of all, select everything and press delete so that we have a clean slate to work on. Shift A, go to mesh and add an icosphere. In the icosphere settings, subdivision, decrease them to 1 and then go to edit mode, and when you have all the vertices selected, right click and press bevel so that you can just drag your mouse, move your mouse and get some football looking kind of thing. So as you can see, we have some 6-sided faces, some 5-sided faces, just like football. We'll go to face selection and press A so that each and every face is selected. We will go to extrude and in that we will select extrude individual. So what that will do is, it will just extrude all the faces individually so that we don't have to do it one by one. So now that we have extruded everything, go to selection mode and select one of the faces. But before that, we will add material to our football. So we add a new material. Now select one of the faces. So I'm going to select the 5-sided face and I'm going to add new material for that face. So what we will do is select similar and area, so that all the similar areas are selected. We will add new material and I will make it black. So if you go to material preview mode, it looks kind of football looking. So now I'll just select this smaller area, repeat the process, select similar area. I will add new material and I will make that material look yellowish, like a bit dirty material, and assign it so that it looks like threads that are holding onto the faces. So now if we just shade smooth it, it looks like a football and we don't need to do anything much more. But now if you just want to add a physics to that, we can also do it. If you just want to make football and capture a render, so this is the process. But if you want, you can also add physics. So I'm going to select the football and go into the modifiers, and I'm going to add cloth modifier to the football because football is made out of cloth. And we'll go to this plane and we'll add collision so that it gets hardened and our football can collide on it. Going to the football settings, I'll just click here and in that I will enable internal springs. So before enabling it, I'll just show what happens if you don't enable internal springs. We'll just play it now, and as you can see, the football just dropped down like a jelly and splashed itself on the ground. So if we now enable internal springs and now if we play it, it acts like an actual football and bounces. So this is all we need to do to make football. Now we'll add a light. I will just increase the power to 100 and just increase the radius, and I guess this is it. This is how you make a football. So in the next episode we will kick the football, make character kick the football and all that things. But till then, I'll see you next time. Keep practicing and making new stuff. Like, share and subscribe to the channel and comment what you would like to see next. Until then, bye. Okay, bye.